Alright, rear taillights. You can see here there's a bunch of bulbs in there. Mine have 9. Yours might have 5 or 8. Just gotta take these 4 bolts off, or rather, the screws rather. Alright, once they're off, this just comes right off. And you got all the bulbs here. You just do a quick little twist, and then you're ready to take the bulb out. You should just be able to pull it right out. This particular model takes 194s. These are red, obviously. You can see how these are pretty much the same bulb. Pulls right out, slides right in. Tried to use a pickaxe to hold the thing down. That didn't work so well. So I'm just gonna have to show you the manual way. There it is. Right, you can see the red one on the bottom. All changed out. Now I just gotta put them back in, put the cover back on. That's it. I didn't even realize it. It looks like I got one that's burnt out. Nice. Now I got 8 other bulbs I don't know what to do with.